Do you have a fatty liver? If so, don't worry, you're not alone. According to the American Liver Foundation, up to 30% of Americans have a fatty liver. And while it's not always harmful, it can lead to other health problems down the road if left untreated. So what can you do about it? Check out this video to find out the best vitamins to repair a fatty liver. So what are liver-repairing vitamins? Vitamins are essential to a healthy diet, especially if you want to repair your liver. Certain vitamins are known as liver-repairing because they can help improve the health of your liver and protect it from further damage. No wonder many people are turning to supplements for their liver health. BComplex vitamins, vitamins C, E, and D are liver-repairing vitamins. They have been used to treat patients with fatty liver disease. Fatty liver is not the only cause of liver damage, but it is one of the most common. Other causes include alcoholism, diabetes, anorexia nervosa, and chronic hepatitis. So what are the best vitamins to repair a fatty liver? 1. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is one of the most critical nutrients for your liver. It involves over 100 different chemical processes that keep your liver healthy and functioning correctly. Since the liver cleanses toxins out of your body, it needs a constant supply of chemicals to do that job. Fatty liver disease primarily results from a lack of vitamin A in the bloodstream. Vitamin A deficiency leads to an overgrowth of fat cells in the liver and accumulation of waste products in the liver. Vitamin A is also essential because it helps the liver remove toxins from the blood, preventing liver damage. Vitamin A deficiency will cause your body to be more susceptible to other health problems such as cancer and anemia. This vitamin is present in carrots, sweet potatoes, apricots, and cantaloupe. 2. BComplex vitamins. BComplex vitamins like thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid are essential for a healthy liver. These vitamins allow the liver to metabolize fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. They also work as antioxidants that protect the mitochondria in your liver cells from damage. The liver is the body's main detoxification organ. It helps to break down and process medications, toxins, and other chemicals in your blood. For this to happen properly, a healthy liver needs the vitamins and minerals of B vitamins. These vitamins also help to reduce free radicals in your body. They work by stopping your cells from being damaged by free radicals. These vitamins help to fight oxidative stress. You may experience symptoms such as an upset stomach, indigestion, jaundice, or fatigue if you have a damaged liver. 3. Vitamin C. The liver demands a lot of vitamin C, so it is imperative that you get plenty of this vitamin to help the liver function properly. Vitamin C is also known as an antioxidant, preventing the damage that occurs from inflammation and oxidation. Vitamin C helps the liver to produce glutathione, a molecule that helps to metabolize toxins and manage inflammation. The more vitamin C you have in your system, your liver will perform better. You can get vitamin C from other foods, such as citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and tomatoes. It may be best if you took a supplement because your body cannot store vitamin C, so it is crucial to consume it daily. 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D helps to regulate several functions in the body. It is necessary for healthy bones, teeth, and muscle function. It is also one of the essential vitamins required by the body to maintain a healthy liver. This vitamin helps regulate the activity of enzymes necessary for the liver's proper functioning. It is needed to maintain a healthy liver because it is a catalyst that helps the liver break down toxins. Vitamin D also helps to regulate bile production in the stomach, which allows the liver to absorb nutrients and remove toxins from the blood. If you do not get enough vitamin D, your liver will need to work harder to try and provide these functions. Hence, vitamin D is crucial in the maintenance of a healthy liver. 5. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another vitamin that can help to improve your liver health. It helps to protect the liver from damage, and it also allows it to recover from injury. It is a critical antioxidant that helps prevent oxidative stress in the liver, which causes many of these issues in the first place. The liver is constantly under oxidative stress, meaning it has to work extra hard to break down toxins in the body. The liver works best when it is healthy and has plenty of antioxidants to protect it from damage from constant oxidative stress. You can get pretty much all of your E vitamins from a nutritious diet, including foods like eggs, spinach, salmon, sweet potatoes, and wheat germ. However, if you want the most benefit from them, ensure that you supplement with this vitamin. 6. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral needed to keep your liver in working order. It is crucial for the health of your liver because it supports the production of enzymes that help to break down toxins. It is needed to convert the toxic substances into water-soluble ones so they can be excreted from the body. If your liver is not working correctly, it cannot do this, and toxins will build up in your system over time. Without enough zinc, you may be more likely to experience fatigue, poor digestion, and low energy levels. Zinc is present in meat, eggs, poultry, and dairy products. It is also found in certain spices like alfalfa and pumpkin seeds. 7. Magnesium. Magnesium is essential for the proper functioning of over 300 different enzymes in your body. It is needed to maintain a healthy liver because it will help your liver detoxify the toxins produced from the metabolism of food and other substances. It is also vital for the metabolism of calcium and the absorption of iron. A person with a magnesium deficiency may be unable to digest their food correctly, leading to lots of digestive problems. You can get enough magnesium in your diet by eating foods high in minerals. It is present in many foods, including dark green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds, milk, and whole grains. 8. Selenium. The liver is the one organ that is responsible for storing and processing all nutrients that are needed by the body. It is also essential as a detoxifying organ. The organ helps to excrete heavy metals and toxins from the body. It is also responsible for regulating enzyme activity and gene expression. Selenium is a mineral that helps the liver to carry out this function, and it's also a component of over 300 enzymes and proteins. You can get this mineral from foods like Brazil nuts, liver, turkey, and sunflower seeds. Selenium deficiency can lead to several health problems, including an increased risk of diabetes and cancer. Inflammation of the liver is also one of the possible effects of a selenium deficiency. As you can see, taking certain vitamins and minerals can help improve a fatty liver. Some of the best vitamins for this purpose are vitamin A, E, magnesium, selenium, and zinc. These vitamins and minerals can help improve liver function and reduce the risk of liver disease. Also, they can lessen the amount of fat in the liver. It is crucial to consult with a doctor before taking any supplements, as some can be harmful in high doses. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 10 best vitamins and supplements for brain health. Thanks for watching and bye for now.